Hey everyone, I just made a giant Blender logo in Minecraft, and in this video we're going to take a look at the logo in Minecraft as well as showing you how you can make your own logo. So as you can see, there's one layer for the blue color, one for the white, and then two for the orange, and then one and one on the other side as well. And when it comes to planning the construction, we first download the Blender logo, and then next we need to pixelate the image. So just Google Adobe Pixelate, and you do not need the Adobe package. I'm going to show you how. So open the image that we just downloaded, and then we need to go into the effects and add the pixelate effect. And then let's set the pixel size to 13, which is what I did for my logo. And since we're not logged in, we can't download the image. So instead, we just need to do a local print screen. So it's Windows Shift S on Windows or Command Shift 4 on Mac. And then I just added a grid in Photoshop and got this. And you can use this to build the logo in Minecraft. And you just start from the bottom with 14 cubes and go from there.